Welcome to our presentation about some of the great features that asset rental has to offer. This presentation will initially cover those more general features available throughout asset rental, followed by a more focused examination of the features that are important to a rental and distribution software package. You can see that asset rental is controlled through a secure login process, so you can be sure that unauthorized personnel are kept out. This login screen also lets you select the location of the data that you want to access, whether it be live business data or data for a business created for training purposes only. You can even access business data located on a remote computer using a virtual private network over an internet connection. Now that we have successfully logged in, we are going to take a look at some of the features which make asset rental so flexible and easy to use. As soon as the login process is completed, the Asset Rental Explorer screen appears. You can see that important information, such as lists of accounts and orders, is available at your fingertips. All lists within the Explorer are dockable, so you can change the layout to suit yourself. You can even auto-hide these lists if you don't want them on display permanently. Asset Rental also makes it easy to navigate to different parts of the program by the use of hyperlinks. So for example, accessing an account from the list is just a click away. This technique can be used on all screens. In the example shown, you can move back to an account from an order quickly and easily, even if the account maintenance screen has been closed. The size of every screen within Asset Rental can be changed to one that is comfortable for you. So that you don't have to keep resizing screens every time they are opened, they will remember this size from when they were last closed. This same feature also applies to the lists in the Asset Rental Explorer screen. This same flexibility can be seen throughout Asset Rental. Column sizes, splitter bar positions, all will be remembered by Asset Rental when a screen is reopened. To reinforce the purpose of a screen, you can set its theme color. The color changes take effect immediately, and in the example shown, changing the theme color of the account maintenance screen also changes the color of the account list. Asset Rental is made easier to use by guidance at the top of each screen, in addition to prompts within each of the data input fields. When necessary, Asset Rental's intelligent validation of your business information provides an error, warning, or information message. Asset Rental prevents invalid information from being saved by disabling the action buttons until the information is corrected. All of these ease of use features guide you through entering data and helping you to avoid mistakes. As you work through various Asset Rental screens, you will notice that adding or changing a screen may also update other open screens. This is a feature that we will return to later. Now we're going to focus on some specific features of Asset Rental. The account maintenance screen is at the heart of Asset Rental and is the starting point for adding information about your business relationships with your customers. It is therefore vital that all relevant information about your customer can be stored quickly and accurately. A customer's full name and address is stored using the Account Details page. The page also integrates with QAS Pro software, which allows customer addresses to be entered just by entering the customer's postal code. Reasons for opening and closing customer accounts can also be entered to give your business an accurate picture of the number of accounts won and lost through the Customer Movements Management Report. Moving on to the Contacts page, the information stored here, together with the other features, makes it very convenient for you to contact the customer. Here you can store information about more than one account contact, which is particularly useful if your customer is a large business and the responsibilities are shared by a number of people. Integration with Microsoft Word, Outlook and Skype means that initiating the contact is only a click away. Of course, a rental and distribution software package needs the ability to manage orders for a customer. This next page shows you the order history for the customer account. From here, you can suspend, release and add an order or change an existing one. The Managed Asset page is where all of the rented items in the possession of your customer are listed. A managed asset represents any item of equipment or other resource that is rented out by your business. This can also include items owned by your customer for which you provide other services or perhaps supply consumable items. You can see the current status of the items in the list, in addition to buttons for commissioning a new item and decommissioning or changing an existing one. So we're just going to take a quick look at an item that is currently being rented by clicking the Edit button. You can see that the ownership status for the item is clearly shown as rented. You can also see the list of scheduled orders that are present for this item. Another of the great features of asset rental is the flexibility to create as many scheduled orders with as many lines as you need. Asset rental uses these scheduled orders as templates for automatically creating real orders when the schedule falls due. Asset rental also lets you vary the selling price of consumable products, so you can negotiate different contracts with each of your customers if required. This feature is available through the Account Offer page. From this page, you can establish a selling price based on a price or quantity offer. The price offer types available let you set a fixed price for a product or allow percentage or price discount. Percentage and price discounts are a great way of maintaining the differential between the branch price and the offer price when the branch price changes. 10 quantity discounts are also available, ranging from buy one get one free to buy 10 get one free. You can even set an offer duration so that any orders falling outside of the period specified do not qualify for the discount. Scheduled orders for consumable items are similar to scheduled orders for managed assets in that you can add as many scheduled orders as needed with an unlimited number of lines. Again, asset rental will use these to automatically create orders according to the scheduled route that you selected. The Consumable Deposit Order Line History page provides an accurate breakdown of the orders that contribute to the total of deposits and refunds held for the customer. You can use the hyperlink technique to access the originating order lines with just a single click. This screen also shows you a summary of all consumable products together with a breakdown by individual product, giving you a detailed picture of a customer's consumable deposits. We are now going to focus on the process of creating, dispatching and confirming an order. In addition to scheduling the automatic creation of orders, you can also create them manually. The key steps in this process are selecting a delivery route and date, deciding what products to include in the order, and adding the appropriate order documents. There is no limit to the number of order documents that you can add to an order. Once created, the order will appear in the order history list along with its current status. The next step is to dispatch the order, which would normally be completed on the working day before the delivery date, when all of the orders for the delivery route would be dispatched at the same time. The dispatch screen lists all of the awaiting orders in delivery sequence, which can be changed if required. If you have a Skype Out account and the customer has a mobile phone, you can send SMS messages warning of the imminent delivery. This helps avoid the high cost of aborted visits, particularly to remote areas, by ensuring that the customer is at home when the delivery takes place. Printing of both the driver's route document and order documents, e.g. delivery notes, is also completed from this screen. After the order has been dispatched and delivery has been completed, the awaiting confirmation screen for each delivery route is used to confirm the order delivery details. Depending on the outcome of the visit by the delivery driver, it is possible to cancel the order completely or record the details of an aborted visit. In this case, we are going to confirm the delivery of the order with the necessary details, which includes the visited date, delivery quantities, batch numbers if required by the product, and any returns or empties. Note that if an email address is present and Outlook is installed, an email is automatically created and sent to the customer account together with a PDF file for each of the order documents present on the order. Upon clicking the OK button, You will be asked to confirm the delivery details from a summary screen. Notice that now that the order has been confirmed, the status of the order in the order list is updated. We can also view the confirmed order from here, and from within the order maintenance screen, you can see the details that we have just entered, together with the new lines for the consumable deposit charges and refunds.